Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another non-phone work from home job lead, but this one is a little bit different. I always try to share the non-phone data entry things that appeal to the masses and that most people will be qualified for. But with that being said, sometimes I like to bring a little bit something different, something that is specialized for those that have certain skill sets. But if you are good with tech and software and all of the things, and you understand search engine optimization for web-based content, the huge software company and tech company Microsoft is hiring a writer. Now, this is an individual contributor, so it looks like a 1099 role, and they are hiring someone to work 100% remote from home. They are looking for someone to write and edit. The primary job is to write, rewrite, and edit copy for web, emails, and other digital assets. It'll be writing from the ground up based on strategy briefs, rolling up your sleeves, and help shaping the existing copy and to raise the bar on making it excellent. You'll also have to do search engine optimization, so you'll research keywords and the SEO writing best practices to make sure that this stuff is ranking in search on Google. You'll test and optimize, working closely with partners to brainstorm new hypotheses across web and email. And you'll embody the culture and values of Microsoft. So if that sounds like you, they're looking for someone who is an exceptional writer, who's done it all, business to business, consumer ads, web copy, someone who is a great editor, and someone who can collaborate with other teams. Now, they do have some very specific qualifications. They want someone who has had at least a year in proven digital marketing, copywriting experience, writing or content design experience, and a certification, degree, or training in English writing, human-centered design, literature, or a related field. You do not necessarily have to have a certification if you have equivalent work experience. Equivalent work experience would break down into 3 years of proven digital marketing copywriting experience or 3 years of writing experience or content design experience. They want someone who does have an understanding of digital marketing, someone who can be creative and consistent, someone who has experience working with briefs and translating creative direction into compelling copy, and someone who has an understanding of brand voice principles. Now, if you have these skill sets and you can write and edit and write persuasive copy, this position pays very, very well. It pays anywhere from $108,000 a year all the way up to $162,000 a year. And of course, they offer standard benefits as far as healthcare, 401k, basic life insurance, and paid time off. They also offer fitness benefits. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please like and comment on this video or share with all of your friends and family so we can all live our best, healthiest, happiest life working from home. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.